In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Gmail with Slack. If you're looking to cut down on tab switching and keep important messages from slipping through the cracks, this integration brings your Gmail updates straight into Slack so you can see them where your team already collaborates. Before we begin, make sure you're in the correct Slack workspace and you're signed into the Gmail account you want to connect. In some organizations, app installations may require admin approval, so keep that in mind. Start by opening Slack. On the left-hand sidebar, find and click Apps. This is the hub where you can discover and manage tools that plug right into Slack. If you don't see it right away, try expanding your sidebar or switching to the desktop or web version of Slack for a clearer view. In the Apps directory, use the search bar to type Gmail. Look for the official Gmail app and click Add or Install. The wording can vary depending on whether you're using the desktop app or the browser, but the action is the same. You're bringing Gmail into your Slack workspace. You might be redirected to your browser during this step. That's normal and part of the secure installation flow. Once the Gmail app is added, click Connect Gmail account. This is the bridge between your Google account and Slack, and it's what allows Slack to display your email notifications. If you have multiple Google accounts, double-check that you're connecting the one you actually use for work or the one you want to receive notifications from. You'll be prompted to sign into your Google account and allow permissions. Take a moment to review the permissions screen so you understand what the app can access and why. Granting these permissions is necessary for Slack to pull in email details securely. If you change your mind later, you can disconnect the app at any time from your account settings. After the connection is approved, choose where you want your Gmail notifications to appear. You can select a specific channel if the emails relate to a team or project, or send them to your direct messages if you prefer a private inbox-style feed inside Slack. Think about who needs to see these notifications and how often they arrive. A dedicated channel can keep things organized, while a DM keeps it personal and less noisy for the team. That's it. From now on, when new emails arrive, you'll see timely updates in Slack, helping you stay responsive without constantly checking your inbox. If you ever need to reduce noise, you can adjust channel or DM notification preferences in Slack later. Enjoy a more streamlined workflow with Gmail and Slack working together.